Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to log out of all devices on Discord from a single device. And this is the most up-to-date method of how to do it in 2021. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if I actually open up the Discord app on my computer, and if I go ahead and click onto user settings, so the little cog icon down here, and once I've clicked onto the cog icon, it's going to come up with a number of options. At the moment in the app, there's no way to log out of all devices, but what you can do is if you actually click on to the change password button down here, and what's going to happen, if you actually type your current password and then change it to a new password, and then if you actually go ahead and click done and change your password, what that's effectively going to do is log out any Discord account logged into any device, and they won't be able to log back in to the account unless obviously they know the new password. So if an updated method does become available, what I'll do is pop a link at the top of the video now. If you don't see that yet, you know this is the most up-to-date way of doing it. And that's basically how you can do it. That's how you can log your Discord account from all devices. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.